In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate AI writing tools in Jasper. By the end, you'll know exactly how to prompt Jasper from the home area, preview a suggestion, and trigger a full AI generation all in just a few clicks. First, open your browser and go to the Jasper app. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Home. This brings you to the main workspace, which is the quickest place to access Jasper's writing features without hunting through menus. Think of Home as your command center. It's where you can start a fresh idea, test a prompt, and move straight into a polished draft. On the home screen, find the Ask Anything box. This is Jasper's conversational input designed to understand natural language and give you an immediate starting point. Click inside that field to begin. You'll see a blinking cursor. This is where you'll craft your instruction. Type your prompt. Clear direct phrasing works best, and you'll get stronger results when you include context. For this walkthrough, type exactly. Write a Facebook post for a house for sale. If you want to guide tone or include details like the number of bedrooms, location highlights, or a call to action, you can add them right in the same sentence. The more relevant details you include here, the more on target Jasper's first draft will be. Now click Send, or simply press Enter. Jasper will read your prompt and generate a suggestion. This first response is meant to help you preview the approach and decide whether to proceed as is or refine your prompt. When the suggestion appears, look for the Use option and click it. Use takes Jasper's suggestion and places it into the editor so you can work with it. From there, click Generate Now. This is the moment you're fully activating Jasper's AI writing tools for this content. Generate Now tells Jasper to expand the idea, apply its writing capabilities, and deliver a complete piece based on your prompt. Give the generation a moment. Once it's done, review the output for voice, accuracy, and any details you want to tweak. If you need adjustments, you can refine your prompt in the same Ask Anything field and send it again, or make edits directly in the editor before regenerating. Small prompt improvements, like specifying audience, tone, or a desired length, can lead to big gains in quality. That's it. From Home to Ask Anything to Use, and then Generate Now, you've activated Jasper's AI writing tools and turned a simple idea into a ready-to-post Facebook update.